Welcome back to my channel. This is the Queen Phoenix. So we're still doing basics. I've done two previous videos, one on how to start crochet. It has a magic circle and a slip stitch in it. The second video has chain stitches. Now let's actually get to the nice stitches. So you will again make a slip stitch. And for this tutorial, let's just chain a few stitches. So that's 4, 5, remember it's yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. All right, so there's my stitches. And we're gonna make a single crochet. Now, from your this is your chain. From the last one, count 2 back. So 1, 2. And this into the second chain is where I'm going to insert my hook. So I'm pushing it in to my chain stitch. Watch this part. I'm going to grab a loop, pull through. Now I've got 2 loops. Yarn over, and I'm going to pull through both. I'm going to do that again for you. Into the chain, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops, pull through both loops. Into the chain, yarn over, bring it up. There's 3 loops, go through the 2. Yarn into your chain, yarn over, pull that loop up so you have 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through both. Again, into your chain, pick up your loop, 2 loops, pull through both. Now, that is on chain. I want to also show you how you can do this on a magic circle. Again, you will make your magic circle. Go around. I'm going to chain 1. So here's your circle, chain 1. I'm going to hold my circle with my 2 fingers, go into the circle, pick up my yarn, bring it out, 2 loops, yarn over, and go through both. Again, into the circle, pick up my yarn, now I have 2 loops, yarn over, and again, go through both. Into the magic circle, yarn over, bring up that loop. You have 2 loops, I'm putting the 3rd, yarn over, and go through both. Into your circle, pick up your loop, 2 loops on there, yarn over, go through both loops. Again, into the magic circle, and I'll show you from the back. Into the magic circle, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, go through both. Let me try and come a bit closer to this camera. Go into your circle, pull your yarn through, that's 2 loops, go through both. So now I've showed you how to make a single crochet. 1 on chain, 1 on a magic circle. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll get you on the next one.